a game called Scratchy says. So it's this game.
Hit the drum.
So the Scratch Cat will give an instruction. For example, hit the drum. So yeah.
Tickle the ball. Tickle the jellyfish.
So
Hit the
if
drum.
we hit the drum. Okay. So if we don't
Tickle the
follow the
jellyfish.
instruction, then it's game over. And if we follow a silly instruction, then it is also game over.
Hit the drum.
Yeah. So hit the drum.
Tickle the ball.
We press the Scratch Cat.
Eat the ball. Eat the ball. Eat the muffin. Hit the drum. Eat the drum.
So now let's get to it. First, we have to go to create, as we all know, and then name the project as, well, Scratchy says. Okay. So now we'll start with our code. First, you keep the Scratch Cat, and then after that we will add some sprites. So Scratch Cat, then soccer ball, soccer ball, and then muffin, as you already know, muffin, and then jellyfish, and then drum. So yeah. So now let's keep. So now let's choose a sound called crazy laugh. So go to sounds and then choose crazy laugh. So go into sounds and choose crazy laugh. Yeah, that one. And then let's add an extension. So if you don't know what is extension, then it's basically some adding of other blocks, extra blocks in your code. So here we have to choose the text to speech extension here. So it will make our sprites talk. So yeah, then we have to create lists. So if you don't know what's lists, it's just like a variable, but it will store each part of data in it, but in a variable it replaces each part of data. So in the list we will, first one will be instructions. Instructions for all sprites. So then we will add things to the list. So just make the list visible, and then add one. Yeah, and it will be called eat the muffin. Then the second one will be second one we will keep tickle the jellyfish. And the tickle the jellyfish, and the third one it will be hit the drum. And the fourth one will be kick the ball. And the fifth one will be eat the drum. Drum. And then the sixth one will be tickle the ball. So now we'll make another instruction called silly instructions. So this is a new list. So silly instructions. So here we will add eat the drum and tickle the ball in this list. So yeah, so it will be eat the drum. Okay, and then ball. Yeah. So two instructions. So these are silly instructions. So they make no sense. So yeah. So then hide those list variables and let's get to coding. So first we will go to Scratchcat here. And also I forgot that crazy laugh should be for the Scratchcat, not for the drums. So yeah, keep it to the Scratchcat, like dragging it and keeping it inside. So yeah, so now there's this crazy laugh also. So first, let's go to the first blocks of code. So it's when green flag click, set voice to alto. Alto is Owen's voice. Then I'll choose tenor. Like, you choose anything you want, and then set language to English. You can set it to English or any other languages. There's so many here. But so I'm gonna choose English. Then broadcast give instruction. So broadcast give instruction. Broadcast. Here it is. Broadcast. In that broadcast type give instruction. Yeah, here. So we will pick an instruction in the next step. So we will create a new variable called instruction. See, we're having two lists of instruction and now we are going to create a variable called instruction. So I'm going to just delete this my variable. So annoying there. So yeah, it is instruction. Yes. So now another block. When green flag is clicked, set instruction to. So we're going to set that variable to item. So item pick random 1 to length of instructions. So it is pick random. So pick random means it will pick any random number between 1 to 10. So pick random 1 to any length, the length of instructions. So you know the length of instructions, right? Length of instructions. So if you choose that, it's 161 anything. Pick random means any random thing. Any instructions of instructions. So this is the first block. Then speak instruction. So it will speak the instruction. So speak instructions. Then how could we tell that if a scratch cat says a silly instruction that we should not do and what he says, but should click on him to continue the game. So we have to add this code to the scratch cat. So this when the sprite clicked, if silly instruction, if then block, no, if then else block, if silly instructions contains an instruction. So here silly instruction. So here silly. Then broadcast give instruction, or else if we follow that so or else if we follow that silly instruction, then it will be game over. So broadcast game over. So then let's go to the second sprite. We are going to code in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So muffin. So this one it will be like this. When the sprite clicked, if instruction is equals to eat the muffin, yeah. So if instruction is equals to eat the muffin, so if then else block it. So then we'll just keep one instruction block here. Then is equals to eat the muffin is equals to eat the muffin. So yeah, eat the muffin is the broadcast. So if the instruction is equals to eat the muffin, play sound chomp. So yeah, until done, and then broadcast give instruction. So broadcast game over here, and then here broadcast give instruction. Yeah, so then this one is done, and then we could copy this block like this whole code and then drag it to each and every sprite like this one. So yeah, muffin, I'm gonna just drag it here. We'll try that. We'll try that again. Yes. So for the kick the ball. So here it's kick the ball. Yes. And then we could just drag it to the next one. Jellyfish. Oh yeah. So for kick the ball, it is basketball bounce. Well, I don't know. Well, yeah, like there's no football kick and all that. So basketball bounce is almost the same. So yeah, place on basketball bounce. And before that, let's just order the sprites here and there. And so the scratch cat will be in middle. So your jellyfish, and then just keeping it here. I'm just going to change it. If the instruction is equals to tickle the jellyfish. Yeah. And then the same thing. So let's start the game. So I'm just gonna keep full screen.
Kick the ball.
Yeah. Kick the ball.
Tickle the jellyfish.
Hmm. Let's see. I think we had a bug here. So yeah, when this sprite clicked,
Tickle the ball.
oh yeah, actually we are not done yet. So yeah, as you can see, we did not have any like changing. So we did not even finish the game. So coding. So now next step is let's make a sprite called game over. So just Go to paint one. Just fill a whole one with this. Okay. And then text, and text will be oh yeah, and also don't forget the text should be in black. So sometimes you will feel like when you're typing, uh, you set it up everything, but it's not coming, it's not showing because it's the same color. So that's one sense, common sense. So yeah, game over. It should be perfectly in the middle. Yeah, it should be like here. And now let's add the game over code here. So for this sprite only we'll do the game over code. So when green flag is clear, we first have to make it hide. Or else if it's shown, then the game will look so weird. So first we have to see the sprites. So if it shows in the middle of the game, then we can't play the game only. Then you go to x 0 0 0 and y also 0. Then when I receive game over, so when every sprite will get a message of game over, then show. So it will be shown. Then finally it will show to the wait, and then it will go to front layer. So it should be in front of every sprite, so that none of the sprite is visible. So go to front layer, and after that place on bonk until done. So bonk. So I think there's no sound bonk. So for that, you could just go to the sounds tab and choose bonk. Just change it to place on bonk till then, and then stop all. So we have to stop the game. Or else I'm going to show you what happens if we don't stop the game.
Eat the muffin. Hit the drum. Kick the ball.
So yeah,
Tickle the ball.
yeah. So that's the game. So let's check the code if we did any mistake. So let's check the code. If we did any mistake, we have to cross check. See, I feel like I did one mistake, so I'm gonna cross check. Okay, so I'm gonna check. Oh yeah. So as you can see, they said hit the drum. So that's a sensible version. So I did that, but it was game over. So that's because it showed here in the code it's tickle the jellyfish. So it should be hit the no, it should be correct. Hit the drum. Yeah. So yeah.
Tickle the jellyfish. Hit the drum.
Oh yeah. So it should not. It should hide.
Tickle the jellyfish. Kick the ball. Tickle the jellyfish.
Yeah. I did so many errors. Should be tickle the jellyfish. Tickle.
Hit the drum. Tickle the ball.
Wait. Let's make that variable visible.
Kick the ball.
So if we press the green flag, then the question will reset. Then again,
Hit the drum.
yeah.
Hit the drum. Tickle the ball.
Then no. So then
Tickle the jellyfish.
for here you need play sound, crazy laugh. Laugh. So that's why you have to cross check your
Eat the
code.
muffin.
Then
Eat the muffin. Hit the drum. Eat the drum.
okay. So this is the video. So that's what I want to show you today. And bye guys. And I want to and I'll see you again in the next video. So before exiting this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay. Bye.